How to remove visual effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Find the clip with the visual effects you want to remove. Next, select that clip and then head to the inspector panel on the top right side of the screen. The inspector shows all the applied effects and settings for the selected clip. Now, go to the Effects tab in the Inspector panel. Here, all the effects you have added will be shown, such as color correction, fusion effects, or OpenFX plugins. To disable a specific effect, switch the toggle off. If you want to reset it, there is a reset button next to the effect parameters. If you want to remove all effects quickly, you can click the trash bin icon next to the effects. This will clear those visual effects from your clip. Also, if you used Fusion for complex visual effects, open the Fusion tab, select the nodes connected to your effect, and delete them to remove the effect entirely. Finally, after removing the effects, play back your clip to ensure everything looks clean and exactly how you want it. And that's it. Now you know how to remove visual effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.